Hello everyone, you're watching RDX Goa's news bulletin with me Priyanka Naik. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. Churchill Alemao and Congress have put around 1 lakh Goans, those registered with foreign nationality, in trouble, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. South Africa's first black president and anti-apartheid icon Nelson Mandela died at the age of 95. And an order released to build prayer house at Margao SGPDA Market, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Now the news in details. Politicization of nationality issue done by Churchill Alemao and Congress have put around 1 lakh Goans, those registered with foreign nationality, in trouble, said Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Sanjay Monoli reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
It is clear, it is not a matter for the state to decide. Under Citizenship Act, the matter has to be determined by the Home Ministry under Section 9(2) of the Citizenship Act. It is not, citizenship is not an criminal code. So it is a different act. Therefore, unless someone's citizenship is properly decided, you cannot go for a criminal action. This is our stand. This is my stand right from day one. I will not book cases, and even if their FIR is filed, they will go for closure, because citizenship cannot be decided by me. Police can decide citizenship. 9(2), special authority has to decide what is citizenship act. Not a criminal offence. Because you do not know whether a particular person is a citizen or not. And in case of citizenship, case-to-case decision has to be taken by It cannot be mass case.
Who is the special authority?
Joint Secretary Home.
But home MH has decided, no?
No, it has decided regarding what wrongly, but only about Kaitu. Wrongly, because he has a stay on it. I don't agree with MHA. The decision is wrong. Whatever MHA decision, it will be proved to be a totally manipulated decision. First of all, hearing was given by one, notice was issued by second, and decision is given by third. This is not permitted in statutory. This is statutory decision. Konachi citizenship, it cannot be taken so lightly as they have done. Have they checked, is the same Kaitu, first of all? Have they checked with Portuguese authorities whether he is the same person? So I am not going to those merit. Those merit will be argued in the court. As of now, Delhi High Court has stayed it until they hear every party about it. But the activity of Churchill and Congress, in order to settle their score, has now resulted into an Pandora's box for all Goans who have registered their birth. See, I don't support someone registering their birth in Portugal. They should not. But how to make prashna vitarta, and this is a very important question. It comes to the court, government will put up its view before the High Court in the matter. And we are also writing, I am also writing that because of your political compulsions, they cook conspiracy with the habit of Congress.
South Africa's first black president and anti-apartheid icon Nelson Mandela has died at the age of 95. He had been receiving intensive medical care at home for a lung infection after spending 3 months in the hospital. Demise of Nelson Mandela was officially announced by the present President Jacob Zuma. The Nobel Peace Prize laureate was one of the world's most revered statements after preaching reconciliation despite being imprisoned for 27 years.
Fellow South Africans, our beloved Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, the founding president of our democratic nation, has departed. He passed on peacefully in the company of his family around 2050 on the 5th of December 2013. He is now resting. He is now at peace. Our nation has lost its greatest son. Our people have lost a father. Although we knew that this day would come, nothing can diminish our sense of a profound and enduring loss. His tireless struggle for freedom earned him the respect of the world. His humility, his compassion, and his humanity earned him their love. Our thoughts and prayers are with the Mandela family. To them we owe a debt of gratitude. They have sacrificed much and endured much so that our people could be free. Our thoughts are with his wife, Mrs. Graça Machel, his former wife, Miss Winnie Madikizela Mandela, with his children, his grandchildren, his great-grandchildren, and the entire family. Our thoughts are with his friends, comrades, and colleagues who fought alongside Madiba over the cause of a lifetime of struggle.
An order has been released to build prayer house at Margaon SGPDA market, and the work will be initiated soon, informed Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Therefore, Congress people should not use such silly issue to provoke the public, he added. Sanjay Monoli reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
काही 4-0 दणकून मार बसपाचो असल्यामुळे आमच्या गोंयांत काही काँग्रेसवाल्यांक बेटर हुतुती भरल्या. PDAच्या संदर्भात जे पळय थंय प्रेयर रूम दिवपाचो आहा पळय ताची ऑर्डर ऑलरेडी गव्हर्मेंटान इश्यू केल्ली आसा. The chief town planner has issued an order to the South Goa PDA. So those politicians who are thinking that that will give them some reason to agitate, they may please close their, put their swords back and go for sannyas, because we have already issued the order for a prayer hall. It's a case in that particular market is given.
No, but you had stated there will be a policy decision that...
No, we went through that, and this is an individual decision which has been given. There is no policy decision, and there is no need of cabinet required, because we are giving only prayer hall. We are not giving temple, mosque, church. They can go and use it for praying and whatever.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पायाकडे आशिल्ली, त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and mud cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bosco, above Cafe Porcelain, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Lucky Enterprises Wholesale and Retail Shop. Designer sarees, designer salwar kameez, salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty and cotton collection. Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margao, Goa. Contact 9158057860 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises.
Bye, Anu.
तू किती पळयता केन्ना पळोवना म्हाका
हे मोठे प्रॉब्लेम गॅसीचे सगळी लोकां त्रास गॅसी लागून आता गोंयकारांनी सगळ्यान एकठांय जावन हे गॅसी प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाचे नाजाल्यार सगळे गोंयकार गॅसीचे पडटले.
सो तुम्ही पळोवपाक विसरत नाका येवकार आमी गोंयकार आडी एकठांयचे.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीतकाय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. Leadership is very important aspect of society, but wrong leadership can lead society to wrong directions, said Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. He was speaking after inaugurating leadership clinic at Panjim.
Leaders can be made. My own experience in the field of politics and much before politics, when I was not in politics, whether as a student, leader in IIT or thereafter in many social activities, I felt that it's not, sometimes the leadership is thought of as an exercise in politics or exercise in industry, but I feel that leadership is a very important aspect in every component of the society. You have to have leaders. Whether it is a small community or you have to have leaders, whether it is on a particular issue. Many times I find so-called leaders, they have some ability to lead. They have obviously some capacities to attract people and give them a direction. But many times these directions do not match with the goal. The result is the society is led into a wrong direction, and so does it happen with either politics or other aspects. create leadership in people who do not have those genes. So there has to be something special about a leader, and it's important that you pick it up by some analysis, so that a person who has a capability of leadership, even if you don't train him, still he manages some leadership, but then the directions many times are wrong.
Long pending issue of building roads at the forest area of Kankon, Kare, Sangem and Savardem constituency will be resolved by 30th December, assured Sport Minister Ramesh Tavadkar. He was speaking after inaugurating the new 3 development works at Savardem constituency, Karem Panchayat, through ST funds by spending 1,45 lakh. MLA Ganesh Gaokar and other dignitaries were present. Eknath Khedekar reports from Kollam for RDX Goa.
जवळजवळ 3 कामाचे सुरुवात जाल्ली आसा. जवळजवळ 1,75,00,000 रुपया सादारणशे की साधारण ह्या भागातले रस्ते, अनेक रस्ते वायल्डलायफ सेंच्युरी किंवा अन्य फॉरेस्टाच्या प्रॉब्लेमावर काम उरतालें. पण आता हल्ली एक गोष्ट जर समज अजून क्लियर जाल्लें नासता जर जायत न्ही जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता पयर आमी जेन्ना कलेक्टर हावसांत एक मिटींग जाल्ली आनी त्या मिटिंगेक एक विशय आमचे फॉरेस्ट सेक्टर संदर्भांतलो विशय आमी जवळजवळ ह्या मतदारसंघातल्यो 41 केसीस ज्यो कम्युनिटी रायट म्हणजे जंगलांक लोक रावता किंवा फॉरेस्टांक लोक रावता की ते रस्ते किंवा ते वाटो ताजे सनदी दिवपा संदर्भांतलो विशय क्लियर जावपा संदर्भांत आमी सादारणशे 30 तारीख पर्यंत विशय सेटल करतो. त्यामुळे बरेचसे रस्ते जे फॉरेस्टाच्या प्रॉब्लेमाक उरले ते रस्ते ट्रायबल सबप्लॅनाच्या अंतर्गत हे रस्ते जातले. आज सुद्दां आमी 3 कामां जी सुरवात जाल्ली आसा ती सुद्दां ट्रायबल सबप्लॅनाच्या अंतर्गत जाल्ली आसा आनी त्यामुळे सादारण सावर्डे, सांगे आणि काणकोण या भागांतले अशा तरेचे जंगल एरिया असले कारण काही रस्ते उरताले आणि त्यामुळे या ट्रायबल सपनाचो ट्रायबल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंटाचो योग्य पद्धतीन उपयोग करून आमी हे रस्ते पुराय करपाचे दृश्टीकोन एक मोख दवरले आसा की फुडल्या 2-3 वर्सां जे रस्ते अजून जाले ना ते रस्ते पुराय जातले आणि त्यामुळे लोकांक एक विश्वास निर्माण जाल्लो आसा की ट्रायबल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान अशे तरेन विकास जावं येता. हे म्हाका दिसता आज ह्या मतदारसंघाक हांव जेन्ना फिरता प्रत्यक्षांक लोकांचो जो रेस्पॉन्स मेळटा तातूंतल्यान लक्षांत येता की गेली अनेक वर्सां ह्या लोकांनी विकास म्हणटा तो केन्नाच पळोवंक ना. प्रत्यक्षांक आज ताजी म्हाकाय हांव प्रत्येक जेन्ना आफयतना हांव येता तें कारण अशें की ह्या लोकांचे प्रश्न सुटपाक जाय.
7 कामांचो शुभारंभ करता. त्या 7 कामां भितर 3 कामां जी आसा ती अंडर ट्रायबल सबप्लेन आसा आनी ही कामां जी पळय सादारण 2.5 कोटी रुपया आनी PWDची अंडर मेंटेनन्स एक 25 लाखाची टोटल 2 कोटीची कामां आमी सुरवात करता काले पंचायतीक आनी प्रामुख्यान जी आमची TSP ट्रायबल सबप्लेना अंडर जी कामां आसा ती तेजे श्रेय सगळे आमचे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर फॉर ट्रायबल अफेअर्स श्री रमेश तवडकराक वयता कित्याक की ह्या भागाक खूबशे पयशे दिवपाक तेंचें योगदान.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Uncle's Kitchen, Chinese and multi-cuisine restaurant. After a 27-year service in Mumbai, now at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, Miramar, Goa. Also One Up Lounge Bar, serving Indian and foreign beverages with dancing lights and DJ music. Thrown open for public from 20th November at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, Miramar, Panji, Uncle's Kitchen and One Up Lounge Bar.
म्हाका एक सांग ती गरम आसा खऱ्यांनीच गरम आसा जाल्यार अशें कर तिच्या हाजे तकलेर वतय एक मरे बरी जर्सी गाय आशिल्ली तिका पळयतना दिसतालें की हिका शुवर 25 लिटर तरी दूध मेळटालें म्हणून मागीर प्रिन्साक तें आवडलें ना पळयतकीर तिणें सगळो तेजे फुड्यान गेलो आनी तिका बरो हात घातलो हात घालनाका त्या गायन तेजेर अशी खड घातली आणि तिवूय बीन असल्या जाग्यार
रोकडेच तुमच्या मुखार येता येवकार आमी गोंयकार RDX चॅनलाचेर
सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो राखपा गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजी आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
Welcome back. If all the citizens of the state try to create awareness about AIDS in the society, then AIDS can vanish not only from the state but from the country, said Fartoda MLA Vijay Sardesai. He was speaking at the AIDS awareness rally held at Margao. Mandar Naik reports from Margao for RDX Goa.
Nice that everybody is participating in the Red Ribbon Club, trying to show your solidarity to the cause of awareness of AIDS. It's a pandemic disease which is affecting the world. Barack Obama has declared $100 million research trying to find a solution to this AIDS. I think we need to have this awareness. This type of walkathons are basically used by NGOs to further a cause. I give them all the credit for having this. Actually, they should have taken sponsors from so many pharmaceutical companies which are there in Verna. If you go into the net and see that, Ranbaxy has sponsored such walkathons. These should be fundraisers. Walkathons are actually required to be fundraisers to try to take a good cause forward. I think they have done a good start. It gives me great pleasure to be amongst you all, and I will participate to show my solidarity with awareness and as also prevention of such a disease in Goa. In Goa, we are all in the news for all the wrong reasons in the recent past, and unhealthy practices can lead to AIDS, and we should be careful about it. And I think in a highly aware state like ours, the AIDS virus should actually be depleting On the contrary, it is increasing. So which is a cause of concern. I think the government, the NGOs, the politicians, and everybody from including the journalists, the fourth estate, have to take interest in such a thing.
Each and every woman in the society should take the benefits of government schemes, said Salegaon MLA Dilip Parlekar. He was speaking after initiating cake-making course for all the Salegaon constituency women due to the fast approaching Christmas season. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Salegaon for RDX Goa.
भाव आमचे जे क्रिसमस साजरे करतात ते फेस्त आमच्या तोंडार आसा. गोंयांत गणपती जावं, दिवाळी जावं, क्रिसमस जावं, न्यू इयर जावं, हे आमी मोठे दबाज्यान जे फेस्तां आहा ती फेस्तां साजरी करतात. तितूंतले एक फेस्त म्हणून क्रिसमस. ह्या क्रिसमसाक आमच्या भुरगेपणांत आमी पळयतालीं, तुमी जाणा तुमी की आदी आमी नेवऱ्यो आसूं, दोदोल आसूं, केक आसूं, हें आमच्या फेस्ताक आसतालें आनी ताज्या बरोबर चुकोन चॉकलेट आसताली. पूण आतां जर मॉडर्नायज जाला जर पळय आमी बऱ्यो म्हारग चॉकलेटी हाडटात, भुरग्यांक दितात, शेजाऱ्यांक दितात, आमच्या लोकांक वाडटात. ह्यो इतक्यो म्हारग चॉकलेटी आमी आतां तुमचे पयशे म्हाका दिसता खूब खर्च करतात. त्या खातीर आमीच त्यो कित्याक करच्यो न्हू. आमी म्हणजे जे ऑफिस आसा ह्या ऑफिसांतल्यान सगळ्यो गोश्टी दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करता. आतां जर कोणाक ट्रॅक्टर घेवपाचो, हार्वेस्टर घेवपाचो जाल्यार ताका लागून 12 तारखेक साडे 3 हांगा शेतकाराची मेळावो जावपाचो आहा. तो मेळावो जाल्या नंतर तांकां कितें आयडिया दिवपा खातीर तांकां सरकारचे लोक येवन सगळें सांगतले. हांगा चडशीं बायलां आसा, सगळीं जाणां त्या खातीर तुमकां खबर आसा तुमकां 1000 मेळटा न्हय. तो बायलांक 1000 मेळटा तो मेळटा. हांव नाका तुमी कित्या खातीर फाटीं रावल्यात ती. तुमी जर करूंक ना जाल्यार बेगीन करचें. तांकां वर्सान एकदां ही सर्टिफिकेट दिवची पडटा. आमी जिती आहा म्हणून खंयचेय भाशेन खंयचेय दादल्याक जे जाणट्यांक 2000 मेळटा पळय सर्टिफिकेट दिवची पडटा. ती सर्टिफिकेट घेवन तुमी खंयच्या तरी आमदारा कडेन, खंयच्या तरी व्हडल्या ऑफिसरा कडेन वचचें पडटा किंवा म्हाजे कडेन येवचें पडटा. तें जावचें न्हू, ते त्रास जावचे न्हू म्हणून आमी 12 तारखेर ते हांगा जो मेळावो आसतलो, हांगा जी मिटींग आसतली शेतकाराची, तेन्नाच आमी सकयल बसून त्यो सर्टिफिकेटी आमी कोणाक ते 1000 मेळटा पळय ताका सर्टिफिकेट दितली की ती बायल दितली आसा म्हणून आमचे ऑफिसर येतले आनी सर्टिफिकेट दितली. म्हणजे तुमकां फाल्यां केन्ना तरी 1 वर्स जाल्या नंतर थंय वचून परत हांगा हें करपाक नाका. आमचे कडेन 12शीं सुमार नांवां आसात. आख्खी सालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन 12 तारखेर आमी तुमकां सर्टिफिकेट दितले. तुमी आयकून घेतल्यार बाकीच्या लोकांक सांगा जेणे करून लोकांकूय बरी मदत जातली, हेल्प जातली.
Before we wind up, here is the recap of the headlines. Churchill, Alemao and Congress have put around 1 lakh Goans, those registered with foreign nationality, in trouble, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. South Africa's first black president and anti-apartheid icon Nelson Mandela died at the age of 95. And an order released to build prayer house at Margaon SGPDA market, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.